Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Right now we're getting ready for another show. This week we will be at the Northern Wisconsin State Fair, and we got Chase behind me getting some logs ready. He's gonna hold these things for me kind of in the dump trailer, and I'm gonna buck these things up into rounds, so we got some wood to split for you at the fair. All right, we got this load of rounds ready to go to the fairgrounds. You could see we were using that Wolfe Ridge Mid-Duty Grapple, and Chase could hold the logs on the end of that grapple, and that worked great for me to be able to just buck these in here. And I'm using a measurement gauge on this saw that's got me marking about 16-inch lengths, but when I was getting to the end of those logs, I'd try and split the difference. So we got a few longer rounds in here, and then the crooked logs, you know, those ones don't necessarily cut straight all the time, and also your lengths start to vary then. But we've got a good variety of stuff here. We're gonna have a 28C there, we're gonna have a 17 VS there, and a couple other things. Made a few different trips, bringing the splitters down here, and then brought a bunch of the rounds down. I've got the truck and trailer parked a little bit further away from our booth so we can bring it by every morning to get the rounds into place. So what we've got here is a 17 VS. This is the standard configuration of the 17 VS vertical splitter. You can see we've got a couple rounds here on the ground. We've got the log lift. Got one round in place right now. We have on the other side here the 17 RS. This is our entry-level gas engine-powered horizontal log splitter. Right behind that, we have one of our most popular units, the 28 Pro. And that one has the optional auto cycle valve on it. And then, all the way to the back here, we have the 28C compact commercial. Compact commercial comes standard with auto cycle, hydraulic lug lift, hydraulic wedge height adjustment, Magnum big door package, tall push block. All of the splitters use the bronze self-loop slides on them now, and everything that's in the booth right now is available for immediate delivery at the fair. So guys, again, we are at the Northern Wisconsin State Fair. It runs Wednesday, July 10th through Sunday, July 14th. Come see us in the Wolfe Ridge booth. We've got all these splitters here. We're going to be splitting some nice oak firewood, and we are in a really good location. Once you come in the main gates, you'll see us right down the main road here. If you'd like more information on any of the Wolfe Ridge products, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. There you can find all the pricing, configuration options, lead times, and more. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge. We'll see you at the fair.